Howdy, this is George Dunlap. This video is on a cabinet with can holding kits. This is something that many of our customers have asked us for years to do, and something that recently we decided that it was a very viable alternative, or a very viable option, for a lot of our ice cream, water ice, and yogurt type customers. Essentially, we've taken a BD cabinet, what we call a BD cabinet, chest style cabinet, and added a can skirt kit to it. It's a drop-in kit, doesn't require any special tools inside the cabinet. It's especially designed for the CNELSON BD cabinets. It's a great way to hold the bucket steady. It's a great way to keep everything clean, as you can tell. It's an individual tub containment system that's set up in rows of 2. We currently have them in a variety of sizes. Please give me a call at your convenience. Be happy to discuss what we have available and how we can help you in your cabinet scooping needs. This is George Dunlap with CNELSON Manufacturing, always at your service. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.